warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Novel Rahman, and today I'm going to talk about healthy living. Living a healthy life is very important because it helps us stay strong, feel happy, and do our daily activities. In this presentation, I will explain what healthy living means, why it is important, and some simple ways to practice it every day. I hope this topic can remind us all to take better care of our body and mind. Next. What is a healthy living? Healthy living is a lifestyle that keeps the balance between physical, mental, and social health. Examples include eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, getting enough rest, and keeping personal and environment hygiene. Next. What is the benefits of healthy living? Living a healthy life makes our body strong and less prone to illness. It also helps us think clearly, stay focused, and feel more energy in studying or working. Next, how to live healthy? Number 1, eat nutritious and balanced meals. Number 2, exercise regularly. Number 3, get enough sleep and rest. Number 4, avoid smoking and alcohol. And the last, number 5, keep yourself and your surroundings clean. Next. Why is it so important? Because health is the best investment for the future. By taking care of our body, mind, and environment, we can live happier, more productive, and meaningful lives. Thank you. I think it's enough for my presentation. Any questions? I hope.
That's a good presentation, and I would like to ask, how jam berapa sih kalau apa ya? Gak tahu saya. Jam yang ideal untuk tidur itu jam berapa aja? Kan di sini banyak mahasiswa ini sukanya begadang.
Ideal time to sleep. Yes. Thank you for the question. I think
Jam 9 sisa to sleep. Tapi malam. Oh, sulit saja Pak. Jam 5 sore. Sulit saja Pak.
Thank you. Thank you for the attention. I'm sorry if I had in the presentation. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.